Good day to everyone. In this video we will talk about how to add and assign stiffness types for bars. What is stiffness? Stiffness is physical and geometrical characteristic of the finite element. Let's start with the RC cross-section. On the panel Stiffness and Restraints, find the command material properties. First of all, we need to add stiffness to the project library. On the first tab, Properties, click on the button Add. In the dialog box Add Stiffness, on the first tab Standard Types of Sections, select Required Section from the list. In the dialog box Define Standard Section, specify physical and geometrical parameters of the cross-section. E. Modulus of elasticity 3 million, new Poisson ratio 0.2, B equals 40 cm, H equals 40 cm, and R0 material density 2.5. Click Draw to review dimensions of cross-section. Write comment to this stiffness type column. Now let me tell you about section of this dialog box, Stiffness Properties for Section. As you see, now Radio button Calculate automatically by section dimensions is active. If we switch to the second tab of this dialog box, we see that program already calculates stiffness and we cannot correct it. But if we switch radio button to Edit on Properties tab, we will be able to edit stiffness manually. Click OK. Now let's add steel cross-section. In the dialog box Add Stiffness, switch to the second tab, Database of Steel Sections. Select required section from the list. In the dialog box Steel cross-section, select from the drop-down list Profile Assortment. And then from the drop-down list below, select Profile. Write comment to a stiffness type, Beam. On the second tab of this dialog box, we can edit stiffness parameters manually. Click OK. How to assign stiffness types to finite elements, in our case bars. In the dialog box Stiffness and Materials, they are assigned to elements of the model section. Turn on checkbox Stiffness. Then select stiffness type from the list and set it as current. After that, select required bars and click Apply. To be sure that stiffness types have been assigned, click Mosaic Plot for Properties of Current tab. Thank you for your attention.